Hi, this is NARJ'S Queen coming at you with another video. Today, we are going to take a special moment to say Happy Mother's Day to all the moms all over the world. We want to say we thank you. Happy Mother's Day. Mom, we will never be able to thank you enough for everything you do. You have sacrificed so much for us. You have encouraged us. You have believed in us. You have prayed for us and taught us about life. You always there for us when we needed you the most. You love us for who we are. So today, we celebrate you and want you to know how thankful we are for you. Happy Mother's Day. And I love you. To you who are new to my channel, thanks for coming. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think. And to you who already subscribed, thanks for coming back. Share this video with every mother you know. Let them know my community and I, we stand here today to let them know how much we appreciate all the good work, hard work they done in our life. And we want to thank them for everything. We don't want to miss anything because we know they work hard and they deserve to be treated with respect, with love, with appreciation. Happy Mother's Day to all of you.